Today in history. 27 February 1964, somber and overcast, Pisa, Italy. Dear Diary, today was a pretty important day because the Italian government asked for help to save the Leaning Tower of Pisa. Everyone knows this tower is really famous for leaning to one side, and I was here in Pisa, watching as everyone talked about how to keep it from falling over. I heard some grown-ups say that if the tower fell, it would be a big disaster for our city. I guess the adults were really worried, and that made me feel a little scared too. The Leaning Tower of Pisa was built a long time ago. It took such a long time to make because they started building it in 1173. But because they used soft ground to build it on, it started to lean before it was even finished. I learned from my teacher that this made it special and kind of a mistake all at once, making it an important place for people to visit. When I woke up today, I heard my parents talking about the tower again. They said it's been leaning even more and that it's in real danger of falling down. People from our city and from other places were gathered around, worried about the tower. I felt nervous too because I love looking at that tower when we have picnics at the square nearby. Around noon, I saw lots of important people in suits and with hard hats talk in front of the tower. They were taking notes and pointing at the ground. They were talking about needing help and how many workers it would take to save the tower. It felt exciting to see them working together, trying to come up with a plan to stop it from falling. I noticed some engineers came from other countries too. They had maps and drawings showing how they could help the tower stand straighter. It was amazing to see so many people trying to fix something that seemed so impossible. Everyone was working as a big team, and it made me feel happy to be a part of this important moment. My friend Lucia was there with me, and she told me her grandfather remembers the tower when it was still being built. She said he always joked about how it was going to fall, but now he's worried too. After all the meetings, everyone seemed hopeful because they were making plans to save the tower. We even got to watch a little news report about it, and it felt like we were part of something very exciting.